My name is Dr. Andrew Valentine. I'm here to talk to you about SWEN 20003. This particular subject is usually taken by students in their second year of their undergraduate, either in the Bachelor of Science, majoring in Computer and Software Systems, or in the Bachelor of Design. Students who are studying the Master of Software Engineering may also be studying this in their first year of their software engineering degree. So object-oriented software development is a type or a paradigm of programming. Within programming as a software engineer, you'll have studied different types of paradigms that can be used to solve different types of problems. One of the most commonly used ones in industry and both in universities that we teach is object-oriented software development. It is necessary to understand this for future subjects that you will do in the software engineering stream that will build upon this particular type of subject.
Object-oriented software development assignments are more practical compared to more theoretical. And I really enjoy that process of applying what I learned in the class to an actual project.
The projects are about making a game rather than doing algorithms and data structures or design of algorithms. And doing something that's object-oriented is quite different to the other types of programming that you'll learn at the uni.
This subject at the moment also teaches using Java, although this may change in the future. So although we use Java as a tool to teach object-oriented software development, we also go ahead and teach you the Java programming language and the advanced concept of Java, because many people who are working in industry as graduates may be using this as well for their placements.
In this subject, you learn to apply object-oriented principles. You learn to create a diagram for your system with UML diagrams, and also you learn to evaluate trade-offs between different design patterns. And all of these essential skills to be an effective software engineer has been very useful for my personal projects as well as my internship experience.
I intern at a company, and it's something that's come up quite often. And it's nice to have something that's so relevant and that you will actually use, because sometimes in university, you do things that are really theory-based and you're not sure if this is something that'll ever be relevant. But I can tell you for sure that object-oriented programming is.
So one of the things that you do in SWEN 20003 is you actually look at how you start designing software solutions. What we do in this subject is we start talking about the foundational ways which you can go about designing your solutions when you're given a specification or requirements which may not be completely clear. So we teach you the concepts to be able to work effectively in a large environment working on large software engineering projects and the different design decisions you have to make when trying to design your software. Students that should enroll in object-oriented software development are those that are interested in becoming software engineers. This particular subject would also be a good breadth subject for students who are in other disciplines of engineering, such as in mechatronics or electrical engineering, or anybody else who has a basic foundation of programming and wishes to gain perspectives about different types of programming or to strengthen their programming skills.